Have you ever struggled with wrapping a gift perfectly? In this tutorial, we will simplify the process of tying a Tiffany bow. The end goal is to create a beautiful and secure bow for your gift. Start by laying the ribbon over the box, leaving a tail at the front. Take the long end of the ribbon under the box and back around to the front. Hold this position with your thumb. Next, take the working end over to the left side. Again, bring it under the box and back to the front. Now, take the working end under the left arm of the crossed ribbon. Then pull it under the top arm of the cross, ensuring the ribbon isn't twisted on the underside. Pull both ends tight and adjust until the ribbon looks centered. To create the bow, make a loop with the front ribbon tail and hold this loop in your fingers. Bring the other end of the ribbon down and around the loop. Push this end behind the loop through the hole created by your back finger. Push loops tight and adjust until you achieve your desired bow shape. Lastly, fold the ribbon in half and cut diagonally toward the center. This will trim the ends to create a V shape. Congratulations, you've tied a lovely Tiffany bow. Discover even more free jewelry making patterns at wirejewelry.com/getpatterns or scan the QR code to get started.